Guys, this is the damage to the chassis leg. We're gonna start to do some pulling just now. So you just straighten that and drill it off. On this rail here, it's kind of twisted, so we'll pull that back around. So right now we just take the AC lines out of the way. This AC line is sticking out here. We need to get that out of the way, and then we'll start the pulling process. All right. Alright guys, we're bringing it a little closer with the camera and show you exactly what we was talking about. So, as you can see, this here, it says one bracket that fits on here. So it bends right here. So it's a double metal and it has it's meet with another bracket in the back here. So rather than put heat on this or stuff like that, we're going to change this. So it don't make sense wasting any time with this right here. So we can change that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drill all these spot welds out right here. And we'll put it right back. We'll weld the next one right back in there. Because as you can see, we have a little kink in the back over here. I'll show you. We have a small little kink right here. See right here? We have a small little kink right here. So we'll pull that out. We put the toe on here and we pull that out. And then we put a gauge on here to make sure that it's still maintained in level. So as you can see, we already pulled already. And as you can see, we already got it pretty much level right here. Right, because the bench is level, so we almost got it right there. So by the time we pull and adjust this, everything will be okay. With this, if you can see, yes, it's actually in the dowel right here. So we just need like a less than a 16th, but it's still in the dowel. So as long as it's in the dowel, it's level. So what we'll do, we gotta drill this off right now. So stay tuned guys, we'll show you the process how we drill this off. Take this off, and we'll put back on a used one on here. We have to change the mount. And just this cooler, this is right here, this is a cooler. So we'll show you the mechanical section of this, how we change this stuff like that. And we just have to just fix the oil pan. Right here just got a little bit of movement here on the oil pan. That's nothing. And yes guys, so that's it. Stay tuned and we'll show you how we rebuild this Suzuki Swift and get it back on the road. And it will be safe to drive on the road, guys.